Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So you guessed it, right in front of us. We're going to do a $1 coin roll hunt today, and we'll see how we go. Um, yeah, who knows what we're going to find? We'll see how far we can get, and see what comes our way. If I can get the thing open. We'll zoom in a bit. So as always, we're looking for anything special, so any sort of errors or rotations or laminations or cuds, all those sort of special things, or anything that just looks completely different than normal, anything that's sort of interesting. We're also looking for low mintage coins. Anything that's worth more than face value is basically what we're hunting for. And the aim is to keep them aside and either collect them or on-sell them onto people who do collect them. So I've become a bit lazy lately. I haven't been listing too many items for sale. I've been collecting probably far too much, and whenever I do those videos where I think we're up to number 11 just recently, which is look what I found. Those coins, I probably should be selling some of those, but yes, they've all just been put away. So I'm going to probably try and list a few different things that I find, and let you know how I go and what the sales are actually, what I'm actually able to turn those coins into. So I think we might try and do something along those lines. But certainly the $1 coin roll hunt is one of my favourites. Finding rotated errors on this particular coin is something I really enjoy, and but I really struggle to find them. I haven't found one in a long while. I'm still trying to make a full clock of those coins, so hopefully I can find some more, because there's plenty of them. They always come up, but they're always the right way around. So I'd actually found I think 2 or 3 mules, $1 mules, before I had found any rotated $1 error coins. So to me, at that time, to find those rotated coins was actually more difficult than finding a mule. But now they're just both really hard to find. So we'll see how we go. We'll try and get through a few rolls essentially live. So what I'm seeing is what you're seeing. And then I may pause and we'll go through and see what we can find. So I make a lot of these videos. I make these videos that you guys don't actually get to see, because really, if you're getting to see it, that means I've found something. And I think I've said that a couple of times, but yeah, like sometimes I'll go through 10 rolls and I'll find absolutely nothing, and I've been filming and there's nothing to talk about. It's actually really boring. And then as soon as I stop filming, up comes 10 coins out of the next 10 rolls. So, you know, these kind of things happen. So, but let's keep going for now in the hope that we do find something. Oh, here we go. Here's one special one. So this is well, it's fairly worn, but it's a 2016 changeover coin. Lowest minted $1 coin. So this is a special coin, and it's certainly one of my favourite ones to find. This one does have a fair bit of wear in the fields here, but still we're going to keep each and every one of these things. Yeah, because these are going to be very, very sought after in the future. We're still able to find them today, so find them. But I would think in a matter of a couple of years from now, I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of them are pulled out of circulation by us collectors. So get onto them now if you can. Nice looking 88 coin. I might just keep this one aside for now. I do put the nicer coins into a folder and try and make a nice a folder of coins that are well worth. Well, I suppose I just go through and I pull out the ones that aren't as good. So, but generally they have to look like that in order to make it into my folders. So I'm currently running 4 folders at the moment. Just want to zoom in on this one. Just had maybe it's just a scratch. It just sort of looked like almost like a die crack up the top here for a moment there, but maybe it's not. I might just put it aside and have a closer look under a magnifying glass later on. Yeah, when you compare the grade of what you normally find compared to the one I just pulled out a moment ago. No. Push them aside. Let's open up a Prosecure roll. So while we're having a look through these, on the Facebook page, I've put a sort of a question out there. Now I want to do a series on coins, whether they be circulated coins. Oh, here's something with a cud there, so you can see the cud. Where's my little pointer? Here's one. Alright, so there's a cud in between, or a few little cuds in between those, whatever that is, in between there anyway. So you can see there. So this one's not in too bad a condition actually. So International Year of Older Persons from 1999, and fairly common to find cuds in this particular coin, but normally they're far more worn than that, so that becomes a keeper. Anyway, getting back to the question I've put on the Facebook, so I would love you to join up there and help contribute. But basically, I'm going to be starting a series that looks at coins that are underrated and undervalued. So coins that are worth getting a hold of now. So basically, as an investment, that's what we're looking at. And it may not be for us, it may be for our children or grandchildren. But which are the coins that we should be grabbing a hold of now? And what I want to do is have a look at coins that have similar similar mintage, and look at what their values are. They may have been an older coin. There are some things that we'll have to consider when looking at them, but you know, where are these coins going to be in 5 years' time, 10 years' time, value-wise, compared to what they are today? So that's something I really want to have a look at and see. I do have a few up my sleeve that I am going to be doing first up, but I'd even like to look at sort of proof coins or sets or foreign coins, anything, you know, anything obscure would be great. Something that can be bought on eBay that is just like one of these sort of hidden coins that doesn't have much of a following, but that really needs to be looked at more closely. So that's sort of the aim of that series. So please, I've left a link in the description to this video, to the Facebook site. Select to join and try and give us something that you think that should be looked at, that we can bring to the YouTube family. So yeah, love to hear from you. I will have a look. I'll do the research. Obviously, not everything I'm going to be able to cover, but I'll certainly pick from that and have a look at it and see whether it's worth bringing to everyone's attention. Ah, okay. So this is what is this one? It's a Voyage to Terra Australis. So 1814 to 2014. So yeah, this is a coin that's not meant for circulation. Now this, where is it? Mint mark. Should have. Oh, there it is. Up the top. See mint mark. I couldn't see it there for ages. I'll point it out. So this is a Canberra minted one. I think from memory you could get these from all around the country, like as in Brisbane, Melbourne, Sydney mint marked ones. I think. But this is a C mint mark. So this one would have come from Press Your Own Coins. So at the mint you can go there and you can press your own coins, and they have different ones that come up each year, and you can mint your own coin. You put I think it costs you $3, but you get $1 back, and yeah, it's a bit of a gimmick, but it's fun. I do it every time I go there. But yeah, it's one of those ones. So a little dot there's nothing. Now we've had a few nice finds. This video is starting to drag on. I meant to stop it, but I haven't, so I've just been talking too much. So hopefully we might just do one more roll after this, actually, guys, and see what we come up with. So there's a Spirou 2010 Spirou. So there's another keeper for today. So that's 2 coins out of this particular roll, so that's pretty good. Alright, let's do one last roll. Actually, let's do another one of these rolls. I'm not seeing many shiny ones. I think we've only got through about 5 or 6 rolls this video, so I apologise for that, but I don't really want this video to go too long. Okay, so this is a 2014 Mob of Ruse, and just over a million of these were put into Circ, and this is a keeper as well. I do have plenty of these, and this is obviously starting to be well worn, but still it's a keeper, so we'll keep that. And just check through, there's just a few more coins left here. Alright guys, that'll be it. Alright, let's just have a look and push all these aside. What are we keeping? Alright, so what we got? What's this one? Why did I have that? Oh, I gotta look at that one just to see if it is a beginning of a die crack. Changeover, low mintage, just a nice one there. The cuds on that one, not meant for circulation, a Spirou, and what's the last one here? Is this one? Oh, yeah. The Mobiver's low mintage 2014. Alright, we went through about 5 rolls, but fairly successful 5 rolls, and I apologise for this video going for too long. But yeah, anyway, hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to bringing another video to you soon. Thanks for watching.